We'll begin started now. So Peplink's mission statement is to create smart, unbreakable connectivity, anytime, anywhere. Today we'll be going through how you can achieve that using Peplink's range of products and services to create the perfect solution. So RVs cover many different types of vehicles. We have a solution for all of them. 2020 has been a very strange year, and there has been much more full-time usage of RVs, and the requirement for connectivity has also increased with this due to the work from home situation. So let's have a look at some of the challenges faced by RVers when staying connected on the move. The system needs to be user-friendly. You need to be easily able to change the settings. You need reliable connectivity, even in remote locations. Our solutions will keep you connected anywhere there is cellular coverage. And if you go beyond cellular coverage, satellite connectivity can also manage it through our solution. Being truly mobile means being connected even while moving. Mobile internet needs to be affordable. How much it costs depends on how much usage you require. So now we're going to take a look at some of our products in our portfolio, which will help you create unbreakable connectivity wherever you are. So today we're going to focus on the Transit series and the X series of routers alongside the Puma antennas. So the Transit Mini is a single cellular router which will provide you with basic connectivity. It supports one active cellular connection, Ethernet WAN and Wi-Fi WAN. It can be powered by 12 to 28 volt DC, making it great for low voltage installations. The max throughput of the Transit Mini is 100 megabits per second. It supports band 71, which is great for the US. It has multiple SIM card slots, so you can put 2 SIM cards in there, but you can only use one at a time. So that can be good for having 2 SIM cards in there from different providers if you're in some remote areas that have different coverage from different providers depending on where you are. The next model we're going to look at is the Transit Duo. This is very similar to the UBR Go, which is the model I was showing just before. So the Transit Duo is a dual cellular router with Ethernet WAN and 2 Wi-Fi WAN. So one of the 2.4 gigahertz and one on 5 gigahertz. As the Transit Duo has 2 cellular modems, it allows you to create a much more reliable connection with 2 different SIM cards active at the same time. For the best results and to increase coverage areas and throughput, the SIMs should be from different carriers. The Transit Duo can be powered from 12 to 48 volts DC, making it great for low voltage installations. This model supports up to 400 megabits of throughput. So that's up from the 100 megabits throughput of the Transit Mini. The final router that we're going to look at is our Powerhouse MBX, which is built for unbreakable connectivity on the road. It comes in 2 versions, the HD2 and HD4. The HD2 has 2 cellular modems and the HD4 has 4 cellular modems. The modems are upgradable, meaning that you can easily upgrade to 5G when coverage is available without having to replace the whole router. The MBX is capable of 2.5 gigabits per second throughput, making it perfect for situations where high speed is required. The 8 Ethernet LAN ports support PoE, meaning less cables. You don't have to have separate cables powering up IPTV cameras or IP cameras, things like that. Our Puma antennas are built for 5G and perfect for discrete installation on your vehicles. The 401 supports 4 cellular bands plus GPS. It is a super wideband antenna supporting from 698 through to 6,000 megahertz. All the Puma antennas are available in black or white with QMA or SMA connectors. So most of our routers are SMA connectors, whereas the one router that is QMA is the HD4 MBX that has the HD4 MBX category 18 and 5G version are QMA connectors. The Puma 020 is for Wi-Fi. This can be connected to the Wi-Fi antenna ports on your Peplink router to connect to the Wi-Fi WANs around your vehicle. This creates a much better connection to the Wi-Fi that is available wherever you end up. So this is an overview of an installation with an MBX in a vehicle. You would require 2 or 4 Puma 401s plus 1 Puma 020 on the roof, depending on which model of MBX is installed. If you go with the HD2 category 18, you'd need 4 antennas. The HD4 category 12 would require 2 402s, 401s, and the HD4 category 18 or 5G would require 4 Puma 401s. Using SpeedFusion Cloud, you can then combine all the available connections into a single fast and reliable unbreakable internet connection, keeping you connected anytime, anywhere. InControl 2 can be used to remotely monitor and configure devices all over the world. Perfect for supporting multiple users in different locations. So have a look at the YouTube Changing Lanes, the YouTube channel Changing Lanes. They've got an amazing video showing how they use our equipment to live and work in their amazing RV. Mobile Must-Have have a series of videos all about our products and some amazing shots of them being installed in the wild. Links for both of these YouTube channels and videos will be shared in the chat very soon.